How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be my intro into a buddy build. And actually, I got two videos coming up. One probably tomorrow on my other buddy build. I got two buddy builds going on. But before I get this video started, thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes the world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. This little redneck from Arkansas will never charge you a dime. Don't need no support, guys. Just if I mention anybody in my videos, I always leave a link in the description below. If you ever need to get a hold of me, I always leave my email in the description below. Simple, guys. That's all I ask for. Just if I say something about somebody, go to their channel, like, give them a sub, share if you want to. You know the whole 9 yards. That's all I ask for, guys. Yeah. So, all right. Thank you. Appreciate it. If it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't have a channel. Okay. I got a buddy build, and it's going to be a three-way buddy build, guys. It's going to be Robert Bishop at RB Model Works and Buster's Customs. We're going to be doing the big 69 Camaros, and I'll take it over there and show it to you in just a second. But I wanted to mention one thing about the small scale group build, guys. Yes, the small scale group build is officially over with, but if you still haven't finished, I'm going to give you an extension to the end of this month, the end of March, to go ahead and get them finished up and get me pictures. Because me and Dan are going to have a slideshow with y'all's pictures and everything. And everybody that sends me a picture, and that's the deal, you got to send me a picture. You are in the drawing for a model kit. I'm going to give away a model kit. So everybody that sends me a picture of a completed build, by the end of March, I will get the slideshow together, and it might actually be, let's see, March, April, probably around April, first round in there, I will do the slideshow of the small scale 2025 group build completions, and then I will have a drawing at the end of it. And I haven't decided what model I'm going to do. I don't know if I'll give y'all a small scale because it's small scale, but I got so much stuff, guys. I don't know whether to give you a vintage kit or one of those cow drag combos, with the Falcon and the trailer and the Galaxy. Y'all leave it kind of what y'all kind of want, maybe, in the description below, and we'll see what we can do. See what kind of gets the highest percentage of votes, and and we can see what we can do about the giveaway. So, but with that being said, that's not to take away from our buddy build. So let me show you what we got going on. You can see right there, 69 Camaro, 112 by Revell. I know that Robert, he's going to be doing a Grumpy Jenkins. What's that? Grumpy Toys. That's right. I'm losing my words, guys. I'm sorry. I work all the time and work third shift, and time I get up here and everything, I'm tired and strung out there, But he's going to be building the Grumpy Jenkins. Now, as far as Brian, I'm not for sure what his what he's going to be building his as, but mine, I've done showed y'all once before that Robert printed me off these they're the stock hubcaps, the Copo hubcaps. They're just a little bit bigger wheel than the Copo wheels. I mean, they're like a 18-inch, big and little, so I'm just putting them up here for You can see right there, my car is going to be green. Cow induction hood, no spoiler. I know some people say, oh, no, you got to have a spoiler, but no. Not this old boy. These cars, and especially if it's going to be my street machine or whatever, it's going to have no spoiler. Do not like the spoiler. Now, I'm going to build the Grumpy Toys 12 scale too, and it'll have a spoiler because that's the way it come, you know, or whatever. But this is going to be my car. It'll have no spoiler. Look at those lines. Look at those lines. Swoops back right there. To me, that's clean. Y'all's going to say, nah, you're stupid. I like the spoiler, and that's cool. That's what you like. But that's what, and it's going to be green too, guys. Y'all know my favorite color is green. I just got to figure out what color green I'm going to do with this bad boy. But I'm excited and can't wait. And I got another video coming up with another buddy build I got going on, and it's way off the spectrum. You know, I went from small scale, 1/43rd, to big scale, to a freaking airplane. So I'm going to show you all that video next, but that's what makes this modeling community, this modeling world, that's what makes modeling fun. You can do whatever you want to do. But there's my entry, guys. I know I got bigger wheels for the back, but I'm just kind of showing you there. That is going to be wicked sweet, bro. Look at that. That is going to be awesome. I can't wait to get started. I can't wait to see what Brian decides. And Robert, I know what Robert's doing. And man, and he even printed me off all the stuff for me to build the hood, the big block, the Kragers, all the stuff, so I could build mine. And I got my decals for mine too, but I'm not going to build that one. He's doing that one, so I'll build that in another time. But this one here, I've always wanted to do with the Copo style wheels on it, kind of a sleeper. And that's what this bad boy is going to be right here. Put this back over here. And like I said, I want to thank Robert, and I want to thank Brian for having me along to do this buddy build with them. Appreciate you guys. Love you. And I'm excited to get it going. All right. So next video will be buddy build between me and John at the Mighty JJK.